Namaste. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hand that uplifts us from our failure is our teacher. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year in our country. This day is dedicated to honor the gifted souls who work tirelessly every day to sculpt the best out of us. 5th September is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. Along with being a successful leader as the former president of our country, he was also a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They shape and build the personality of the students and make them ideal citizens of the country. There's a saying that teachers are greater than parents. Parents give birth to the child, whereas teachers mold the child's identity and his moral values. Apart from academics, teachers stand by us at every step to motivate, guide, and inspire to become a better person. Teachers are the source of knowledge and wisdom. They have a big hand in our ideas and thoughts, which we will use to contribute to our society one day. I would like to extend my gratitude to all the teachers of our school for their selfless and never-ending support. I am also very much grateful to God for blessing us with such eminent and dedicated teachers. Now, students of our school would share their thoughts and thank the teachers.
Namaste. I am C. Sadasan studying in 1D class. A very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. I love my maths class, Uma ma'am, because she is very kind and loving. Thank you.
My teacher is friendly. She helps me every time and she is kind towards everyone. She improved me as a person.
I love all my teachers. They are patient, understanding and caring. The teachers' love for the children and their hard work inspires me to do extra hard work to overcome my problems.
Namaste to all. I would like to express my gratitude towards those who shape us to be a better people tomorrow. I take this opportunity to thank all my teachers. Thank you.
Namaste. You are the light I have always needed to achieve my goal, though the destination is unknown. I will always remember the path you have shown. Thank you, teachers.
A nation needs a good citizens. Teachers play a big role in the making of good citizens. They are so selfless and dedicated to this duty. Today we are here to thank our teachers for their love for teaching and children.
Namaste. You taught us like our teacher, protected us like our parents, and guided us like a mentor. You deserve this day so much. Happy Teacher Day to my beloved teacher. Thank you.
Namaste. Our parents gave us life and it was you who taught us how to live it. You introduced honesty, integrity and passion to our character.
A teacher's purpose is not to create students in his own image, but to develop students who can create their own image.
Teachers' Day. On this special day, students cherish the contribution of teachers in making their life better and shaping their behaviors according to social prosperity. Teachers have always been treated next to God in Indian mythology. Teacher is a key person in our life who helps us grow socially and mentally.
Teachers spread knowledge and are always ready to help the students. We will be thankful to you for all the hard work and effort you put in to educate us and help us to improve as a human being.
Parents brought us into this world, and it is you who taught us how to live. You induced in us passion, integrity and honesty.
Teacher, someone who perfectly justifies their appellation, one who edifies the life of every child, is a blessing whose qualities even make the literary pen fall flat. Just as a Stygian cave is drenched in beauty as soon as sunshine bathes it, a student's life is enlightened as a philosopher's stone called teacher sets foot in their tiny world. These great erudites lovingly nurture their pupils, and as they grow to become successful, there isn't any better happiness to the great teacher who played a pivotal role in the child's life. I thus take this opportunity to say that it is only because of my honorable teachers am I a better person substantially, and sincerely thank one of God's best gifts.
Namaste. We went to the kinders and elementary under your care and bravery. We entered middle school where difficult it was to follow the rule. We may pass high school and beyond, but the time with you goes away like a dream in the pond. To every teacher I know, for every learning I owe, to you and to the passion you show, teachers are the best, I'm sure. Inspired, determined and motivated I stand. I will always remember you in life wherever I land. Thank you teachers for shaping our future.
I start my journey with a twinkle twinkle little star, and here I am at L is equal to nu naught n square a by L. This would have definitely not been possible without our beloved teachers. Parents love for us and give us a lot of care, but the teachers are the ones who nourish us and make us grow as a person. Few years in life, we all may be in different places, but wherever we are, it will be only and only because of our beloved teachers. Not only academics, my teachers have even given me the biggest of life lessons that I will never forget. I feel extremely grateful and blessed, and I wish them a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much to every teacher in my life.
Namaste. Wishing all teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Though I strongly believe that teachers must be celebrated each and every day, because after all, they are the ones who lay the building blocks for society. In the 14 years that I have been at DAV, all the teachers here have been like second parents to me, and they have constantly motivated me and encouraged me to perform to the best of my abilities. I think nowhere else will you find a set of teachers who are so dedicated, sincere, approachable, and above all, extremely passionate about what they do. This being the last year of my schooling, I've actually grown to realize the significant role which teachers play in the growth of society at large. And I've also realized that teachers must never be taken for granted, and they must be treated with the utmost respect and the dignity which they deserve. And during this pandemic, our teachers have once again risen to the occasion like they always do, and I've had to make a lot of sacrifices in order to take online classes, for which I couldn't be more grateful. I offer my salutations to all my teachers and seek their blessings. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Namaste. I am B.R. Subramaniam of the class of 2020, and on this very special day, it gives me immense pleasure in wishing all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. If a student can be compared to wet mud, then it is the teacher who molds him into a well-shaped earthen pot, that is, builds his character and fills up the pot with water, which is knowledge. We students spend more time with teachers at school than with even our parents at home during our school life. And as a person who has finished his school life, I can proudly say that I know the complete importance of a teacher in a student's life. So once again, wishing all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you and Namaste.
That wasn't memorized, but it all came right from the hearts of the tiny tots and the seniors. Music is one of the best ways to express one's ideas and thoughts. Now, students of our school will render a song adoring our teachers.
We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything.
We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything.
सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन।
सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन।
इस जीवन में पढ़ना लिखना हमको सिखाए हैं, अनसुलझे सवालों को पल में सुलझाए हैं।
डांटे या डराए हमको आँखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी हर बातों से।
डांटे या डराए हमको आँखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी हर बातों से।
सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन।
We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything.
We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything.
Happy Teachers Day.